All of you know how the law of attraction works and how to apply the law of attraction. And at the same time, I believe most of you are aware about Shrimad Bhagwad Gita by Lord Shri Krishna, and lot of teachings of Shrimad Bhagwad Gita is there and many people are knowing about it. But so many people, they confused law of attraction and the concept or the teaching of Shri Krishna from Bhagavad Gita as something working against each other or not aligned, or there are a lot of misconception going around. So that is why in this video I am going to explain you how the teaching of Lord Shri Krishna in Bhagavad Gita is very much aligned with the law of attraction, and how can understanding this concept will help you in your manifestation process. So this video is about how to apply the law of attraction as per Shrimad Bhagwad Gita by Shri Krishna. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And I'm so happy and excited to share something amazing with all of you today. This is something really interesting and fascinating, and I always love this concept because the teaching of law of attraction, the way we understand law of attraction, the way law of attraction works, this is not something new. I have said it again and again. This is not something new shared by Rhonda Bryan, or this is not something new taught by many people. This is the oldest concept. This is how the universe works. This is the key to self-transformation, and it is there from millions of years, and all the spiritual being, all the masters, all the teachers, all the gods, all the goddesses who has been there on earth, who has taught us, they have taught us the same thing, maybe in a little different way, with different purposes, but the concept is always same, and this is the core of almost all spiritual and religious teaching. But over the thousands of years, many people have done the selective teaching or part of it, or because of their own advantage, they have distorted it and they have modified it, and now they said this is not aligned with that thing, that is not aligned with this thing, and they change the concepts. But I am always passionate about everything. I am always passionate about understanding the core teaching or principles of all religious teaching, spiritual teaching, and at the same time the new age philosophy, which is called the law of attraction and self-transformation. And at the same time, I deeply study all the scientific development that has been happening in quantum physics, epigenetics, and all the neuroscience, all the new inventions, or all the new studies that has been conducted, and how all the new scientific studies are connecting back to the same spiritual teaching in its original form. So there are so many videos I am going to make on these topics, where I'll be sharing, I'll be giving you insight how the law of attraction or the concept of self-transformation works as per science, how it is working as per the same religious teachings, and maybe in some upcoming videos I'll be sharing more insight about how the law of attraction is working as per the teaching of Lord Buddha, as per the teaching of Bible, how all the religious teaching were talking about the same thing, but where there are misconceptions or where there are misaligned, and how you can understand it so that you don't get stuck in the misconception and you start doubting it. So today's video is about how to apply law of attraction as per Shrimad Bhagwad Gita by Shri Lord Krishna. Before we dive into the video, if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe. And then before we dive into this video, I want to make this clear that when I talk about some religious teaching or some concepts from any religion, always remember, I want to understand and explain it from the spiritual perspective, and it has nothing to do with anybody's religion. It doesn't matter which religious practice you follow, it doesn't matter which God you believe in, it doesn't matter who is the supreme power that you believe in. The teaching of self-transformation and spirituality is always the same. So even if you have never read Bhagavad Gita, even if you are not a practicing Hindu, even if you are not believing in Hinduism, still this will give you some deep insight. So because at the end, the universal concept is always the same. Now coming to Bhagavad Gita, it is the book of life. I always consider it. More than its religious teaching, it's a book of life where the conversation between Lord Krishna and Arjuna happened at the time of Mahabharata war, where Arjuna has all the confusions and questions about life and things, like the way all of us have confusions and questions about many things, whether I should do it or not do it, whether the thing I am doing is right or wrong, where my mind is working, what is in my control, what is in the control of God, what is written, whether there is destiny, whether there is pre-written things, whether I have the control. So many confusion people goes in their life. And in this Bhagavad Gita, in this discussion, actually Arjuna represent all of humanity with all kind of questions, all kind of doubts, all kind of confusions. And that's what he asked to Sri Krishna. And Sri Krishna explained him all the concept of universe, how it works, how you have the control of your life and how things are working. And that is why it's a book of life. If you understand the teaching, it will help you sail through your life. And the core concept, what we believe in the law of attraction, that our mind is the creator, our mind has the power. This is what coming from that particular discussion. It is coming from Bhagavad Gita. So first I am going to explain you three major concepts from the Bhagavad Gita, and then I'll explain you how you can use this concept as per the law of attraction in applying and manifesting your desires. So the three major concepts are, the first thing that Krishna told Arjuna is, your mind is everything. Yes, he said your mind is everything, especially when you have taken birth as a human being, you are having the higher consciousness. You are being gifted with the mind which has intelligence, which has intellect, which has imagination, which has intuition, and your mind is your greatest gift. But it's up to you how you are going to use it. If you can master your mind, if you can understand it and use it in the right way, then it will become your servant and it will serve you the best way possible, and then you can do, have or be anything you want in this universe. You can fulfill your life purpose, you can achieve everything. But if you don't control it, means if you don't put it in the right use, if you don't put it towards the desire that you want to achieve, but if you let it control you, means it goes in the auto mode and it try to influence you in all the negative directions, then it can ruin your life. So he said the most important thing is, your mind can be your greatest servant, or it can be your greatest friend, or it can be your greatest enemy. It's only up to you as a human how you are using your mind. Very much aligned what we know in the law of attraction, the way our mind works. And in the law of attraction, in the programming of subconscious mind, we are only reprogramming subconscious mind to help us, to put us in the right journey so that we can achieve and create more, right? So that is the first concept, mind is everything. Second, and this is again the deep concept of law of attraction, your thoughts and feelings are the genesis. He said clearly that your thoughts and feelings are the genesis of your intention. Your thoughts and feelings create your intention. Your strong intention, consistent intention, drive your action. And your action gives you the result. And that's how you create your destiny. He said clearly that once you take birth, there is no pre-written destiny. You are human, that is your destiny. During this human life, whatever you are doing, whatever you are creating, everything you are doing with your thoughts and feelings, you have been given that power to create your life the way you want. So this is the most important thing, because many people in spiritual teaching, they have this misconception that everything is written and I don't have any control, and that's where they play all this victim game and they put everything on karma, past life karma and everything. He has clearly said that once you come to this life, you have always the control. It's up to you how you create your destiny in this lifetime with your thoughts, feelings, intention, action, and then you will get the result. That is the second thing, and that's the core of law of attraction. Thoughts creates things, thoughts create our reality, thoughts create our life, and thoughts and feelings are the core of everything. Now the third point, and this is written very clearly, it's yatha drishti tatha srishti. It means in English, your visions create your reality. Yes, your vision create your reality. Means the kind of vision you have, that kind of reality you create in this world. This world is full of all kind of things, good things, bad things, right things, wrong things, happiness, pain, suffering, pleasure, love, hate, envy, all kind of things are there. But it's up to you to create the vision that you want. What is the vision of your life? What is the vision that you want, you have set for yourself? If you set your vision on all the good things, on the positive things, to achieve good things, to have a purposeful life, to be abundant, to be successful, to do the right thing, then that will become your reality. But if your vision is stuck with pain, suffering, negativity, jealousy, envy, all the wrong things, then that is going to be your reality. Sooner or later you are going to face all those things. There are so many people, they keep talking about these things but in a very negative way. There are so many people, they are so much focused on other people's life. Like even if they don't have a lot of problem in their life, they keep looking at other people's life and they keep thinking like why something wrong is happening in other people's lives, or why something is going wrong in the world and everything. He had said it's up to you to create your vision, and everyone is creating their reality as per their vision. So you have to always remember that your vision is creating your reality. Again, the core concept of law of attraction. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. Whatever you focus, wherever your attention goes, your energy flows, that attention and intention will make your dreams come true or create your reality. So now these are the three core concepts taught by Lord Krishna to Arjuna and explained him that if you understand these things, then you can fulfill your purpose. And how it is perfectly aligned with the law of attraction and how you can apply it in your life. In the law of attraction, the first thing we always talk about the ask. Yes, ask. So asking. And this is very much aligned with Yatha Drishti Tatha Srishti, means your visions create your reality. So first you have to have a clear vision. When you are asking, whatever area you are focusing, you have to have a clear vision. The vision should be clear, the vision should be positive, so that you are asking what you are asking. You should have a big vision, you should have a magical vision for your life, you should have a positive vision for your life. It doesn't matter which area of life. But you should always have a big purpose in life. You should always have a positive purpose in life. And whatever you are manifesting, you should have clear positive vision. That is the first step. The second step, believe. Yes. So there is something very beautifully explained in Bhagavad Gita about belief, that Shri Krishna has asked Arjuna to do this belief thing in two ways. He said, you have to believe in yourself, that you can do it. And second thing, you have to believe that the God is always there to help you and guide you if your purpose is positive and right. God is always helping you and guiding you. So you have to believe in yourself and you have to believe in God, the higher power, the supreme being. So when you do this thing, at times maybe you are not able to believe in yourself. Maybe you are not able to believe that you can achieve your desires. But in those moments, if you believe in the universe, if you believe in God, if you believe in that supreme being, then you still can have the faith and positivity and you can go forward and achieve your dreams. That is the core concept. And if you are losing hope and faith, if you are not able to believe in yourself, then start believing in God, start believing in the universe, that the higher and supreme power is working with you. And one of the interesting thing explained on this part is, if you are struggling in believing, then always have an image of God and focus on that. If you are not able to believe in yourself, then focus on an image of God or focus on that feeling of God and feel it and imagine it, so that supreme being, that supreme power will help you and give you the strength to even go through the difficult times. Now the third point where we need to take actions. He said, whatever actions you are taking, you need to take action with, again, faith, belief and with strength. You have to do it the right thing, and you have to do the right thing. You should always believe in yourself. You should always take your action. You should not be afraid of taking the right action. You should not be afraid of going for the right thing. If you know it is the right thing, if you believe in it, go for it. And when you do it, you can achieve it. Another interesting thing he said, which is about letting go, or which is about, he said, Those things which are not in your control, stop pondering on that. Those things which are not in your control, release those feelings, release those thinkings and let them go. In the world, in the universe, whatever is happening in your life, that is in your control, that is influenced by your thoughts and feelings. But many a times people waste so much of time thinking about other people's life, thinking about whatever is happening at a different place where they don't have any control. And they waste so much of time and energy in thinking about those things. Stop wasting your time and energy in thinking about things or people or situations which are out of your control, which are not in your control. You have just your purpose to fulfill. And once you focus fully on your purpose, you could able to fulfill the dream. So my friend, this is the core concept that we have been practicing and using and achieving our goals, desires and dreams. As per law of attraction, it is the same concept that has been taught and explained by Lord Shri Krishna to Arjuna thousands of years back at the time of Mahabharata war, and it is still the concept of life. So if anybody is telling you, or if anyone has ever told you that the law of attraction is false or it is not as per the religious or spiritual teaching and it is not aligned, that person has no understanding about the teaching of Bhagavad Gita or the teaching of law of attraction, and that person is completely confused. Don't listen to such people. You know that the secret of the universe is always the same, the concept of the universe is always the same, and you are a magical creation of God who is here on earth to achieve your goals, desires and dreams and live a truly magical, awesome, joyful, abundant life. So my friend, if this video has cleared your doubts, if this video is an eye-opener for you, if this video has give you some inspiration, like it, comment, let me know your feelings, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if this video is valuable and if you feel like sharing with someone, do share it with people. And if you are new to our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be part of our awesome tribe. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes, then you can join my powerful program, Make Your Life Awesome. And don't forget to stay tuned in our channel, because very soon I'll be sharing few more videos on the teaching of Lord Buddha, how he talked about law of attraction and why people are achieving their dreams or why people were not able to achieve their dreams, and then how the law of attraction is aligned with the teaching of Bible and many other religious teachings. So stay tuned. I'll be sharing some more deep insights in upcoming videos. Thank you.